Yes, good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, what is the title of our Unit 1?
Personality development.
Personality Development. And in almost all the classes, we have seen what is personality and how to develop personality. So, in this unit, we have three lessons: A reading, B reading, and C reading. What is the title of A reading?
Attitude is
Attitude
altitude.
is altitude. So, what is meant by attitude?
The way of thinking.
Yes,
Way
the
of
way
thinking.
of thinking. Everyone should say the way of thinking. Attitude means
The way of thinking.
the way of thinking. Altitude means the level of success. The level of actually it is height. So the higher level of success. So the higher level of success depends upon the attitude of a person. Understand? If we have good attitude, positive attitude, and also optimistic attitude, and also other good qualities like confident, smart, sociable, courageous, reliable, independent, obedient, valiant, creative, and level headed, like that, then we can develop our personality. So, to develop the personality, we should have good attitude, the right attitude, a positive attitude, and optimistic attitude. So, in this lesson, we have seen what type of personality did Nick had, and also in the beginning how he was, and also how he developed his personality. He was so pessimistic, he was very negative in attitude, he was very cowardice, he was very nervous, and he was so depressive. But what happened? Afterwards, he developed his personality. After reading the newspaper article, at the age of 13, then he changed his attitude and he developed his personality. So, because of developing his personality, what happened? What was the final result? We shall see in this last part, that is part 10. So now all of you turn to page number 6. See, he has visited different countries all over the world. The football fan is now a motivational speaker and has traveled over 24 countries speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. 110,000 people. He moved to Los Angeles 2 years ago in 2007 and plans to continue to travel the world. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. It matters how you are going to finish. Are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and to always love themselves, he said. If I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. Okay? Yes, this article was taken from this So on 1st July 2009, from this website they have taken this article. Okay, so now I'll explain you. He has visited different countries all over the world. He means who here? Nick Vujicic. So Nick Vujicic, what did he do? He visited different countries all over the world. All over the world he visited many countries. The football fan is now a motivational speaker. Why he was able to visit many countries? Why was he visiting many countries? To give some motivational speeches. So he became a motivational speaker, motivating so many people who are depressed, who are disabled like him. And though they are able persons also, sometimes they are depressed of some other problems, some other failures, some other financial problems, some other problems like that. So he visited so many countries giving motivational speeches and has traveled over 24 countries. How many countries did he travel? 24 countries, and speaking to groups of up to 110,000 people. And in his programs, the people used to come in a large number, 110,000 people. See, if you see the stadium here, Nick's speech at a stadium, observe the stadium. How is it? See, it is packed. At the ground also, at the ground floor also it is packed. At the first floor also it is packed. At the second floor also it is packed. See, 110,000 people nearly. More than 1 lakh people, they attended his motivational speeches. From this we can understand how powerful were his speeches. అతను ఎంత గొప్పవాడో, ఎంత గ్రేట్ పర్సనో, ఎంత మంచి ఈ స్పీచెస్ ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాడో, మోటివేషనల్ స్పీచెస్ ఇస్తూ ఉన్నాడో, దీన్ని బట్టి మనకి అర్థమవుతుంది అంతంతమంది వెళ్తున్నారండి. He moved to Los Angeles 2 years ago in 2007. Then he came to Los Angeles. Here what is it given? He was born in Melbourne, Australia. Nick was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. Okay. So he was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles. So just 2 years ago he moved here. Means what? In 2007. 2 years ago means in 2007, and this article was written in 2009. At the end of the lesson also you can see 1st July, the same month is same, 2009. Means 19, 20, 21. Some 12 years back, this article was written. He moved to Los Angeles 2 years ago in 2007 and plans to continue to travel the world. Already he traveled for 24 hours, and like traveling like that he came to Los Angeles, and he still plans to continue to travel the world to many other countries in the world. ప్రపంచంలో ఇంకా చాలా చాలా దేశాలు తిరిగి మోటివేషనల్ స్పీచెస్ ఇవ్వాలి అనేటటువంటిది it is the intention of Nick Vujicic. And what he is saying, some wonderful words he is saying, some inspirational, motivational words he is saying. See, what he is saying is, if I fail, I try again and again. If I fail, I try again and again. See, failure is the step of success. So when we are trying many things, we face failure, but we should not worry about that failure. We should not quit. We should not worry about it. But what should we do? What he is saying, if I fail, I try again and again and again. ఒకసారి నేను ఓడిపోతే మళ్ళీ 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 ట్రై చేస్తాను కదా. మనం ఆటలు ఆడేటప్పుడు కూడా మీరు కబడ్డీ ఆడారనుకోండి, ఓడిపోయారనుకోండి, అప్పుడు బాధేస్తుంది మనకి. కానీ అలా ఒక్కసారి ఓడిపోయామని మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ ఆటకు వెళ్ళకుండా ఉంటామా? ఉండం కదా. కొంతమంది అయితే అంతే, ఏం చేస్తారు, ఒకసారి ఏదన్నా ట్రై చేస్తారు, ఒక కాంపిటీషన్, దే ట్రై వన్ కాంపిటీషన్, ఇఫ్ దే డు నాట్ గెట్ ప్రైజ్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ దే డు నాట్ కమ్ ఫస్ట్, దెన్ వాట్ డు దే సే, ఇక నాకు ఎప్పుడు రాదులే, నాకు రాదు కాబట్టి ఇంకా నేను ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఏ కాంపిటీషన్కి వెళ్ళను అంటారు కదా. వి షుడ్ నాట్ సే లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ ఐ ఫెయిల్ ఐ ట్రై అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. By trying again and again we learn many things. When you are small, చిన్న పిల్లల్ని చూడండి, see the small children, small babies. After crawling, they learn standing. After standing, they learn walking. When they start walking, they fail many times. They fall down many times. అరే పిల్లోడు కింద పడ్డాడు ఇంకా వద్దు అని అనుకుంటామా మనం? అలా అనుకుంటే పిల్లలు నేర్చుకోగలుగుతారా నడక? నో. So in the same way, if we fail in any attempt, ఏదైనా సరే, ఏది నేర్చుకోవడానికైనా, ఏ కాంపిటీషన్ అయినా, చదువైనా, ఆట అయినా, పాట అయినా, ఇంకో స్కిల్ అయినా, కిడెక్స్ అయినా, ఇంకో కాంపిటీషన్ అయినా, ఏటీఎల్ అయినా, ఏదైనా నాకు రాదు అని అనుకోకూడదు. See, Nick, though he was only a torso, no limbs at all, no arms, no legs, but he learnt even surfing. Not only learned surfing, on the surfing board he did 360-degree spins also. How great it is, see? So we should be like that. We should have perseverance. Because of that perseverance and bravery only, he was given the award 1990 Young Citizen of the Year award he received. So like that, if we fail in anything, we should try again and again and again and again like Nick. These words you should never forget in your life. జీవితంలో మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా మర్చిపోకూడనటువంటి విషయాలు ఇవి. ఏ విషయంలో అయినా మనకి ఓటమి ఎదురవుతే మళ్ళీ 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 దాన్ని సాధించేంత వరకు, till we achieve it, we have to try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again? Nick is asking you. If I fail, I try again and again and again. If you fail, are you going to try again and again and again? నీవు కూడా అలానే ట్రై చేస్తావా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు చూడండి. The human spirit can handle much worse than we realize. The human spirit, the human mind, the human heart can handle much worse than we realize. Realize means understand. మనం అర్థం చేసుకున్న దానికంటే కూడా మన మనసు ఇంకా చాలా ఎక్కువగా మనల్ని ధైర్యపరచగలదు. సో మనల్ని ఇంకా చాలా ఎక్కువగా చేయించగలదు. మనం చాలాసార్లు నేను చేయలేనేమో అనుకుంటాం, కానీ మనం అంతకంటే చాలా ఎక్కువగా చేయగలుగుతాం. కొన్నిసార్లు అనుకుంటాం నేను చేయగలిగినా కొంచెమే చేయగలనేమో అనుకుంటా, కానీ మన యొక్క కెపాసిటీ ఎంత ఉంటుందంట, ద హ్యూమన్ స్పిరిట్ క్యాన్ హ్యాండిల్ మచ్ వర్స్ దాన్ వి రియలైజ్. అసలు మనం ఊహించే దానికంటే, మనం ఆలోచించే దానికంటే కూడా చాలా ఎక్కువగా చేయగలదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఇట్ మ్యాటర్స్ హౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫినిష్. See, so and what does it depend? It depends on how you are going to finish, whether you are going to finish it successfully or not, and that it depends. Okay, are you going to finish strong? Said Nick. Are you going to finish strong? మరి నువ్వు ఎలా ఫినిష్ చేయబోతూ ఉన్నావు? స్ట్రాంగ్గా, సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా. ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు ఫినిష్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్? ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్ టు ఫినిష్ స్ట్రాంగ్? మరి అలాగ నువ్వు ముగించబోతున్నావా? నువ్వు ఏది తలపెట్టినా సరే, ఏది ఆలోచించినా, ఏది చేయాలనుకున్నా అలా చేస్తావా? I tell people to keep on getting up. I tell people to keep on getting up. ఎప్పుడు కూడా తను ఏం చెప్తున్నాడంట? always Nick is saying that I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall. వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైతే పడిపోతారో అప్పుడు మళ్ళీ లేవండి అని చెప్తున్నాను. మనం ఎక్కడైనా జారి కింద పడితే అలానే ఉంటామా? మళ్ళీ లేస్తాం కదా. అలానే పడితే ఇంకేంటి అంతే, మనం ఏం చేయలేం కదా. సో I tell people to keep on getting up when they fall and always love themselves. వాళ్ళని వాళ్ళు ప్రేమించుకోవాలి అని చెప్తూ ఉన్నా. ఏమని చెప్తూ ఉన్నాడు? ప్రతిసారి పడిపోయిన ప్రతిసారి లేచి నిలబడండి and also to love yourself. Even here also, what did he say? I decided to be thankful for what I do have, not get angry about what I don't. I looked at myself in the mirror and said, I wanted to concentrate on something good that I had. నాకున్న దాని మీద కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను కానీ నాకు లేని దాని గురించి బాధపడకూడదు. సో వీ ఆల్సో షుడ్ లవ్ అవర్ సెల్స్ లైక్ దట్. మనకి ఏది ఉన్నా ఎలా ఉన్నా మనల్ని మనం ప్రేమించుకోవటం నేర్చుకోవాలి. మనల్ని మనమే చిన్నగా మనల్ని మనమే నాకు అది లేదు ఇది లేదు నాకు చేత కాదు నేను ఇటువంటి వాడిని అటువంటి వాడిని అని మనల్ని మనమే కించపరుచుకుంటే మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా డెవలప్ కాలేము. ఎప్పుడు కానీ మనల్ని మనము ఆల్టిట్యూడ్స్లోకి తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి పైకి తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే ప్రయత్నం చేయాలి. We should try to do like that. Then only we can develop our personality and ourselves. He said, if I can encourage just one person, then my job in this life is done. And finally, this sentence is very important. If I can encourage just one person, కనీసం నేను ఒక్క వ్యక్తినైనా నేను మోటివేట్ చేయగలిగితే, ఒక్క వ్యక్తినైనా నేను ఎంకరేజ్ చేయగలిగితే, then my job in this life is done. Then my job in this life is done. So, what was his job? What is he thinking that he want to motivate the people, he want to inspire the people. That is his job, and he wanted to be successful by encouraging at least one person in his life. So like that we also should think that we should also inspire through our lives. We should inspire at least one person, and then the job in our life is finished. Okay children, with this we have finished part 10 of the first lesson. A reading, attitude is altitude. Okay, thank you.